So in this video, I'm gonna trade and invest $1,000 into the riskiest penny stocks I could find. What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Rich back at it with another video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. So with everything going on in the world right now, everything's shut down. We're all in quarantine. Our economy is really taking a hit. The stock market is tanking, and it hasn't been this volatile for 100 years, basically since the Great Depression. So there's a lot of opportunity in the stock market right now. So during this time, it's a really good opportunity to invest in some solid companies with good fundamentals that have a big discount right now because of everything going on with the stock market and the economy. But I thought it would be a really cool idea and a really fun experiment to invest in a bunch of penny stocks that I could find. So before I get into it, the brokerage that I'm going to be using is called Webull, and Webull is a really good brokerage for a lot of reasons. Number one, it's 100% free and they do not charge commission. So there's a lot of brokerages out there that charge commission fees for $5 to $10 for buying and selling a stock, but Webull, it's 100% free to buy and sell a stock. And the best thing about Webull is that when you first sign up and deposit any amount, you get a free stock up to $1,400. And the beautiful thing about getting a free stock is that stocks are really cheap right now because of the stock market tanking and the economy right now. So you guys could potentially double or triple your money if you leave your stock in there for some time. So I partnered with Webull, and all you have to do is hit that link below, sign up, deposit up to any amount, get your free stock, leave it in there, let it grow into even more money, or you could sell it as soon as you get it and then cash out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to find 10 penny stocks to invest in right now. And just to give you guys a quick rundown of everything that's going on in the timeline of this whole video, yesterday was our biggest day ever since like 1933 in the stock market. And today we kind of lost a little bit of those gains. And tomorrow, everybody's anticipating the jobs report. So everybody is predicting that there's gonna be a lot of people without jobs, and that usually tanks the market even more. But at this point, the market is so uncertain. Nobody knows what the heck is going on. So ideally, today would probably be not a good day to invest in the market if it's probably gonna go down tomorrow once the job reports is released. But you gotta risk it to get the biscuit, and that's what I'm gonna do. And lastly, before I get started, I do want to give out a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial expert by any means. Like I said, I'm just investing in penny stocks for the sake of this video, and penny stocks are considered to be very high risk. So I highly recommend you guys do your own research, your own due diligence before you invest in any company. And if you invest your money and lose your money, it is 100% your fault. So I want to get straight into it. I'm going to find 10 penny stocks, and penny stocks are usually in the riskiest industries. So I'm going to find wheat stocks, I'm going to find oil and energy stocks, and I'm going to find pharmaceutical stocks. And pharmaceutical and biotech stocks are really cool because they can really shoot up and make people rich if the company finds a cure to any disease or illness that's going around. So without further ado, I'm gonna go straight into it and invest in some penny stocks and hopefully make this money. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna pick 10 penny stocks, and the industries are gonna be weed, pharmaceutical companies, energy, oil companies as well. And what I like to do also when I see like a stock is to go to StockTwits, which is basically just like an app. It's like a community of people that own the stocks, and they give their thoughts and talk about the stock. So you just enter the stock name, and then you'll see that there's a bunch of people that are talking about that stock. All right, so the first stock is ACB, which is Aurora Cannabis. And this is a weed marijuana company in Canada. And the stock price right now is 77 cents. It's far off from the high stock price a year ago. I think it was trading around like $9. So on StockTwits, one of the dudes said Lambos for Easter, and another dude said in a year it'll be $30. So the stock price right now is 77 cents. If it reaches $30 in a year, then that would make me super rich. So I'm just gonna buy $100 worth of stock in ACB, and that is about 128 shares. I'm just gonna buy it right now, and that is set, confirmed. So now I have 128 shares in ACB. So now let's move on to the next company. The next company is a energy company. It's called CHK, Chesapeake Energy Company. The company is engaged in acquisition, exploration, and development and properties to produce oil, natural gas, and natural gas liquids. So basically, it's an oil and natural gas company. So CHK is currently trading at 18 cents. And a year ago, it was trading over $3. So it tanked a lot. It's probably about to go bankrupt. That's why it's at a low price right now. And let's see what they're talking about on StockTwits. So this guy said, if you want to go broke, buy this stock, bearish. And for those of you that do not know what bearish and bullish means, if somebody says bearish, that means that they think the stock is going to go down. And if they say bullish, that means that they think the stock is going to go up. So this person said, if you want to go broke, buy this stock, and he's bearish, so he thinks it's gonna go down. So what I'm gonna do is, this stock is down 94% from the last year, and for the last month is down 57%. So this stock is really getting beaten up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna invest $100 in it and see where that takes us in 24 hours. So what I'm gonna do is choose a quantity, and $100 is, so $100 for CHK is 538 shares at 18 cents. So I'm just gonna buy this real quick and confirm, and I officially own 538 shares of CHK. So the next company is a pharmaceutical company. The ticker symbol is HTBX. The company is called Heat Biologics, and it's currently trading at 54 cents. So this company is currently up 104% the last month. And if you look out for the news for this company, it says, you know, it might be working on a treatment or a vaccine for the whole virus thing that's going around. So a lot of people bet on pharmaceutical companies when sicknesses or disease come along, because they might come up with a cure. And if they do, the stock makes a lot of money, and whoever invests in it makes a ton of money. So this company is currently trading at 54 cents. And let's go to StockTwits and see what they're saying about it. So this person said, a roll of toilet paper or buy HTBX stocks. Toilet paper is more expensive. And then another person commented saying, you'll get more out of the toilet paper though. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna invest in this company, and hopefully they come out with a treatment or a vaccine, and I'll make a lot of money. So $100 worth of this stock is 183 shares. So I'm just gonna buy this real quick, confirm, and I officially own 183 shares of HTBX. So the next stock is another pharmaceutical company. It's called Ritter Farms, and the ticker symbol is RTTR. It's currently trading at 30 cents a share, and for the last month it's up 33%. So this is another pharmaceutical company that people are betting on that's gonna come out with a cure or treatment. And let's see what people are talking about on StockTwits. So this guy, Humble Trading on StockTwits, said, well, this is dead. So a lot of pessimism related to this company, but I'm just gonna invest in it and see where that goes, and hopefully we can make some money. So $100 worth of this company, RTTR, Ritter Farms, is about 327 shares. So I'm just gonna buy this stock right now, and I officially own 327 shares of Ritter Farms. So the next stock is another pharmaceutical and biotech company. It's called BioPharmX, and the ticker symbol is BPMX. And a lot of people always invest in risky penny stocks that are biotech and pharmaceutical companies, because it's like the quickest way to get rich if the company finds a cure or a vaccine. So this stock is down 26% in the last month. So it's down quite a lot, and it's currently trading at 28 cents a share. And on StockTwits, they're saying, this guy said it was a huge mistake to buy this stock. And another guy said, be patient, it has no other choice, it will fly. So I'm trusting this guy, and I'm investing in this stock. So at 28 cents a share, I could buy 350 shares of BPMX. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I officially own 350 shares of BioPharmX. So the next stock is called Top Ships, and the ticker symbol is TOPS, Tops, and it is a transportation company that transports gas and oil. And this stock is currently down 81% the last month, and the last 3 months is down 88%. So this stock is currently taking a huge hit. And on StockTwits, this guy said, I just got in to play some chicken, bullish, and that's good enough for me. So I'm gonna invest in this company, Top Ships. So since this stock is so cheap, $100 invested into this company is equal to 1,074 shares. So I'm just gonna buy that real quick, and I officially own 1,074 shares of Tops. The next stock is called Tarzanian Gold Corporation, and the ticker symbol is TRX. So this is basically just a gold company. And a lot of people, when the economy is taking a hit, they invest in gold because it's like a hedge. When a dollar goes down, gold goes up. So this is probably a good stock. It doesn't move that much. It's only down 2% in the last month. So hopefully I can make some money with this stock. So $100 invested into this stock is equal to 164 shares. So I'm just gonna buy that real quick, and I officially own 164 shares of TRX. The next stock is another pharmaceutical company. It's called Cytocell Pharmaceuticals, and the ticker symbol is CYCC, and it's currently trading at 40 cents a share. And the last month is down 43%. So I'm just gonna bet on this company, and hopefully I could come up big. And on StockTwits, this guy said it's gonna jump and he's bullish. So that is more than enough for me, and I hope this dude is right. So $100 invested into this company, CYCC, is worth 250 shares exactly. So I'm just gonna invest and buy 250 shares, confirm, and now I officially own 250 shares of Slice of Cell Pharmaceuticals. The next company is another pharmaceutical company. I feel like I'm only investing in pharmaceuticals. This company is called Acosti Pharma, and the ticker symbol is ACST, and it's currently trading at around 37 cents per share, and the last month is down 33%. So another pharmaceutical company, I hope this is gonna be the one to make me rich. And on StockTwits, this guy said $9 by Christmas 2019, and he just said this March 2020. So $9 by Christmas 2019. So hopefully we can go back in time and make this $9. So I'm gonna invest in this company and take a risk at currently 37 cents a share. So $100 invested into Acosti Pharma, ACST, is exactly 271 shares. So I'm just gonna buy that real quick, and I officially own 271 shares of ACST. So now we're on to the 10th and last company, and this company is called Waiter Holdings Incorporation, and the ticker symbol is WTRH. And this company is basically a food and delivery company. So they connect restaurants and I guess assist them in online food delivery. And this company is up 189% the last month. So I guess it skyrocketed because everybody's in quarantine and everybody's ordering food online. And it's currently trading at $1.14 a share. So this is the most expensive stock that I'm gonna invest in. And let's see what people are talking about on StockTwits. So this guy said, if you believe in this company, then buy. If not, then go somewhere else. So I guess I believe in this company, and I'm going to buy some shares into it. So I'm spending the rest of the $1,000 that I have left in my account on this company, and that is the equivalent to 76 shares. So I'm just gonna buy and confirm. And I officially own 76 shares of WTRH. So hopefully it goes even higher than what it's already at. All right, so I officially invested all the $1,000 and bought 10 penny stocks, and then name you guys all the stocks one by one. I own 128 shares of ACB, 538 shares of CHK, 183 shares of HTBX, 327 shares of RTTR, 350 shares of BPMX, 1,074 shares of TOPS, 164 shares of TRX, 250 shares of CYCC, 271 shares of ACST, and lastly 76 shares of WTRH. So I'm just gonna keep the stocks in my account for 24 hours, and hopefully by tomorrow I can make some money. In my honest opinion, I don't think I'm gonna make any money. I'm probably gonna lose a lot of money. Penny stocks are high risk, high reward, meaning I can invest my money, then by tomorrow I could lose it all, or I can invest in it and then by tomorrow some good news to come out and I can make a lot of money. But that rarely ever happens. The thing that I really hate about penny stocks is that any little movement, and it fluctuates a lot, so any little movement is a lot. So basically, since the stock price is so low, if it goes down like 2 or 3 cents, that's a huge percentage decrease, and that could lose a lot of your money. So on the contrary, I'm hoping that it goes up 5 or 10 cents and I can make a lot of money, but we're gonna see how that goes. So hopefully I can make some money by tomorrow, and I'll update you guys tomorrow. So until then, my friends, be great.
24 hours later.
All right, you guys, so I got some good news. We made some money. We made $25, and that's like 3 Chick-fil-A meals. Our biggest winner was WTRH, Waiter Holdings Inc. That stock made me $26, and ACB, the wheat company, that stock made me $16.79. The biggest losers, I lost. Tops Chips was the biggest loser. It was $14.48 that I lost, and then TRX, I lost $11.63. So it was an even play. 5 stocks made me money, 5 stocks lost me money, but the ones that did make me money made me a lot. So Waiter Holdings 28%, ACB 16% that I made. So I'm happy. Probably the riskiest way to make $25. I had to risk $1,000 to make $25, but I did come up with a win. So as I said yesterday, everyone was anticipating the jobs report to come out today, and that report did come out, and 3.3 million Americans filed for unemployment within the last week, and that is insane. That's 3 times the previous record. And you know, a normal person, normal people would assume that the markets will react negatively to that and go down, but for some weird reason the markets went up, and I have no idea why the markets went up, but I guess I came up with a win because of it. So that was a dope experiment. I did make $25, so I guess you call it a success. I honestly had a lot of fun doing this, so let me know in the comments below if you guys want to do something like this again. And as I said earlier, I highly recommend you guys get started with Webull. The promotion ends to get your free stock at the end of this month on March 31st. So like I said earlier, all you have to do is hit that link below, sign up, deposit up to any amount, and get your free stock. And I'll open my free stock so you guys can see what I got. All you have to do when you sign up and deposit your amount, go to free stock and then hit open. And it looks like I got SAN valued at $2.63. So it's free money, 100% free money, and a free stock that you guys can leave in and let it grow to even more money. And you guys have a chance to get a free stock up to $1,400. So it's a guaranteed free stock and it's just free money for you. So I highly recommend you guys get started. So that is a video, you guys. I invested in 10 risky penny stocks and the outcome was I made $25. And this was hella fun. It was a little risky, but it was fun. So let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to do something like this again. And before I go, you know I gotta leave all you future millionaires out there watching this with a quote. And that quote today is probably a quote that you heard before. It's from a living legend, the greatest investor of our time, and it applies to the life that we're living in right now. And that quote is from Warren Buffett, and he said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful." And until then, my friends, be great.